Good morning from Clarence Pier down in Southsea. This is actually our local park. We say all the parks are our local park, but this is actually our local park. And we are here today to try out the new roller coaster. Let's try and get a long shot of it. So one of two new roller coasters for this year. This is the only one currently on site and open. It's opening day, so we've come down here. It's only a mile away from our house to check it out. So this is all about the new coaster. And normally we don't go for coaster cred so much. We don't really keep count, to be honest, of ones we've been on. I don't find it that important. If I've been on it, I've been on it. If I haven't, I haven't. However, since it's on our doorstep, it would be rude not to. And this one is replacing the Skyways coaster, which was going away for refurbishment. I somewhat don't feel it's coming back. I think this is probably the replacement now, and it will probably stay here permanently. You've got nice little funky cars, which look really good. We'll take you around as well shortly because they put the Clarence Pier logos on the front, and it's looking really stunning. We hear it rides quite well. It's made by SBF Rides, so it should be better than the Pin Ferry one that was here. And we're going to take you on board with these two. Yeah. And we're going to give you our review of it afterwards. It looks very similar to Skyways in the layout. You know, it's nothing spectacular. There's no loops. They've not gone for looping or anything like that. But it does look really nice. I mean, look at these cars. When we get up the top, you'll be able to see them a little bit better. Got a funny seatbelt system, as well as the lap bar as well. It's not something I've ever been on before, but we will give it a bash. If you want to see a full vlog, that'll be up in a couple of weeks. The weather's a bit overcast today, so we're not overly sure quite on what we're going to be doing, but we've literally come down to just hit this coaster. So that's what we're going to do. Tokens? Yeah. We have our tokens for the Wild Mouse. There's Jordan who's running it today, and that's where we're going, to the Wild Mouse. We're the first people on this. Which one? That one? We're getting in the green one, look at this look. First. I don't know. These underarm ones. Hang on, we're struggling with the seatbelt. Oh, let's see. Genius. Ingenious.
First riders, Adam.
Yeah, first riders. So we have this funky seatbelt design here, and then another seatbelt which keeps this down. So we're definitely holding on it. And we are the first riders on this. First public riders on the Wild Mouse. Ready?
Yeah.
You ready? I can't move. I can't turn around. I physically can't move. Can you move? Can't move. But we're in. Right, we're ready. We are ready. Oh, here we go. Right, let's see what this little Wild Mouse ride's got. Hold on tight, automatic brakes.
I've got one-handed. Left-handed as well.
aboard the Mad Mouse, which is the new roller coaster for 2019 here down at Clarence Pier. Very similar to Skyways, little wild mouse, single cars. That's going to be a hit, I think. I think that's going to be a hit. Now, I found that really smooth, certainly a lot smoother than what Skyways was. Arguably a little bit quicker as well. I think probably the smoothness helps that. But very, very similar layout. The restraint system is odd. I won't lie about that. Having a seatbelt over you, which plugs into there, and then having a lap bar down, which plugs into a seatbelt. I mean, you definitely are not coming out of this roller coaster. Don't worry about that. You are staying in it for the duration. And these brakes over here, a little bit sharp, but that rode really well. Really impressed with that. What do you think? Good?
Good.
Better than Skyways.
Better than Skyways. We got a little bit more than good there, which is awesome. So that's the new coaster. That's one of the new coasters. There is another one coming very, very soon. We'll be back down here to cover that. But for the meantime, this is the Mad Mouse. This is a new roller coaster. You know, they certainly lacked it last year with just a little caterpillar here, but you know, some of the rides here are looking stunning. Make sure you check out the full vlog from the park over the next week. But new ride for 2019, new coaster cred for all three of us. That's the Mad Mouse. Thank you for joining us today here at UK Theme Parks. I'll be back very soon.